8 years, Galamsey has won.
Yeah.
You have promised that you are going to fight Galamsey. You haven't put the presidency or anything on the line, but you said you would fight it. 7 months in, we are not seeing much of a change.
As usual, quick warm up. Now, a general mosquito, no. If he says, my cancer person by your man penny, none fi say I grow. Sa papa no many serious. I say, and see, I say, oh, can I want to president, Muman penny, I say, oh, general mosquito. Asiedu Nketiah. Yes, somewhere riding boy. Now, I was on for serious one. Andra na City TV4. Omuye interview bi. Interview nemono. Na one-on-one sitting with General Mosquito. Chairman Asiedu Nketiah. Enti ebisa chairman say chairman obeka ya bra na more opposition no. Mutaboka say fenu say Sena Galamsey say nsuo ni nyama no. Yen declare state of emergency. Akufado kaya musi dedi. And Akufado de nipa bonini ni busuanfo na ye Galamsey nentina. Ene MPP4 entina on pese on declare state of emergency. Ya kaka mu ye papa we violent kisai. No munim no professor no munim wa onim ne bia no pane din share comment section wo ono nyina se o mprofo kidney say asembe krani enti se ese no Akufado na wicked santina na ye mu be cry say okay Akufado ade no tina so the state of emergency we na asunti aseme afedi gaminta ade Ghana for akwakoto abanama NDC for omaba abem ti yede na expect say oh yama since omo ebra mo opposition na omo nim solutions nyina no ena na omo so na omo ka say MPP for na omo ye Galamsey nenti MPP nya ba NDC nya ba power pe MPP for omo ye Galamsey nyina omo chi omo nyina etum afedie no ma declare state of emergency na Galamsey no na guy ye ko bisa chairman Asiedu Nketiah say o chairman na oni man peni jo mama mun kasa na ka che no say o on declare state of emergency na Galamsey say die atiafa sukra chairman no ko kasa o see declaring state of emergency no dangerous and tie say declare state of emergency for Galamsey chairman Asiedu Nketiah no or see declaring state of emergency dangerous ehun hia hey Akufado nyame hey but mushi Akufado nyakupon muka chen say me say oye guy oye feeling hey Akufado nyame unsuro bia o wi ase wi aba suro Akufado nyame emre hey so soon power corrupt sampa power corrupt we now person be man penin Asiedu Nketiah we uka say chin ena na china wa ban one na we ka different one person president
We are still seeing the same problems, even though you're fighting in one way or the other. The Galamsey appears to be winning again.
It tells you how intractable the problem is. You know, when something starts, you can use force to quell it. But when it gains momentum up to a certain point, the same methods that you could have used to quell it in its nascent state are not the same methods that you can use to deal with it when it is blown up the way Galamsey is blown up now. So I'm sure you are not suggesting that nothing is being done about it.
No, something is being done.
Work is being done about it. And we hope to be able to find solutions.
We can rely on hope.
I don't subscribe to the declaration of state of emergency as some other people are suggesting. I don't subscribe to that at all, because in your frustration, you can call for certain measures that when we begin implementing, you can live to regret. I'm not sure many people who are calling for a state of emergency have actually lived under a state of emergency before. Because if your intention is to deal with Galamsey and you declare state of emergency means you have suspended the constitution. People can shoot and kill at will. How you guarantee whether those who will be shooting and killing are the ones who are fighting against Galamsey is another matter. So I am urging people to reason with us and bring up more suggestions for us to be able to tackle the menace. I have always maintained that
consistently
my plan,
no,
whose plan?
NDC plan or government plan. When you were in opposition, you have said that she had not treated you fairly, you never liked her. Now that you have the power where you can start processes to remove her, are you going to work on that? Or you are going to let her do her job?
We still have the power as citizens to petition for her removal. And I have been petitioned. Let's wait and see whether the rest of Ghanaians will petition or not petition.
You have complaints against her. Why not?
Yes, I have
why not petitioning for her removal?
Oh, when there is going to be a change, there are people who write about it, there are others who sing about it, and there are others who actually implement it. So we are the people who were singing about it. We are waiting for the implementers to come and work at the implementation.
But would she also?
So it doesn't mean that it means you are the one who should implement it. I am very clear in my mind that the commission is not fit for purpose, and I'm happy that our main opponents who have been defending the electoral commission to the hilt, they have now come to the same conclusions that some of us arrived at earlier on. So it's like now, luckily, we have a bipartisan consensus that the commission is not fit for purpose and that something must be done there.
This is Face to Face on Channel
on National Geography. She's an investigative journalist, and she does mostly black market and all those illegal trade documentaries. She started investigating stolen cars in Canada and US, okay? And she traced it to Ghana and Nigeria. That those were the destinations of the cars. She went to Nigeria. The people did not let anything out. They did not tell her their secrets, how they go about their stuff or anything. She came to Ghana, guess what? You should go and watch the documentary. You will smile.
They gave information.
Oh, that's where now people started boasting.